Welcome back, folks, to another exciting episode of Plumber Boy Goes to Fix Leaks. Do you hear that? All I can tell you is that doesn't sound good. Wow. It's even louder over here. Holy mackerel. That is super loud, dude. That sounds like a river. I don't see it yet. I can see the ground is wet. Holy mackerel. Coming out of that 90. Look at that. Good loady. Good load, that's a lot of water. Oh man. Oh man. It is wet as a frickin' lagoon down here, dude. Good loady, that's a lot of water. Man. How long has this been going on? Alright. I'm gonna go turn the water off. Oh no. Oh. Oh. There it is. You know, the good thing about ProPress is that the fittings are much bigger. So I'm going to cut directly above that, directly below it. I don't even think I'll need a coupling. I'll just be able to fit it on there because this has quite a bit of play. So let's try it. There you go. Like I said, I didn't need to use a coupling because the sweep of these 90s is much greater than a sweat 90. So it reaches. The only downside with ProPress fittings is sometimes you need smaller, especially with shower valves. But in these circumstances, these are perfect, man. Fit perfectly. Total time to do that was 9 minutes. All right, let's turn the water back on. This probably doesn't work anymore. I think they had it like that to maybe slow the pressure down a little bit. Water's back on. No leaky leaks. All right. Quite a spacious crawl space. This is a nice one. I love working in crawl spaces like this. Relatively clean. Could be a little taller, but anyway. All right, later.